Hi, welcome. This is a video on factoring difference of squares. This is at the proficient level. Here we are told to factor completely. Um, Recall, and if this is too little information for you, please feel free to watch the approaching proficient video of the same topic. But if you can write something in the form of a squared minus b squared, or if you prefer a squared minus b squared, then you can take that to the next step and say I've got a plus b times a minus b. And so these would be the factors from a difference of squares. It's called a difference of squares because difference means subtract, and squares because this is a squared and b squared. So I look at, for this being said, I'm going to say 4x squared minus 9y squared. And what I get is, well, I know 2 times 2 is 4, and x times x is x squared. So if I have the quantity 2x squared, that's the same as 4x squared, minus, here I'm going to put 3y, because 3 times 3 is 9, and y times y is y squared, so that's minus 3y squared. Now I know what my a and my b are. A here and here. This is a here. Then I know I'm going to have something like this, and my b, whatever b is going to be there and there. So there's my b, and it's going to be there and there. And so these things get multiplied together, and I'm going to put 2x here and 2x here, 3y here and 3y here, a plus and a minus. And then, you're like, I'm not convinced, I'm not sure if that's right. Well, remember that factoring and multiplying are just kind of opposite operations of the same thing. One is going one direction, the other is going the other direction. So if this is factored correctly, if I multiply them together, 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y, I can check to see that that's right, because 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 3y would be plus 6xy. 2x times a negative 3y would be negative 6xy. And then a negative 3y times a positive 3y would be negative 9y squared. And I notice that plus 6y and minus 6xy are opposite, and so they cancel each other out. And I would be left with then just 4x squared minus 9y squared. And that is the same as what I started with. So I can be confident that my factors are 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y.